Good morning. I wanted to help you with how to play in time. So when you play actual chords, you're thinking about chords a lot. And then even when you're playing right chords, sometimes you get wrong beat. So you try to practice that right beat over and over. But even professionals, especially jazz musicians, I recently watched this video. I'll send it. I'll add it in the list again. Um, and he was learning from really high caliber musician that before you actually play, you play the rhythm first. So you close the lid, and then you start doing this. Or they feel the chop. And then sometimes if you're like I guess even more complicated music, you can use actually feet to do the other parts of it, like the bass parts of it. Now we're just more of a regular people, right? Learning piano, and for us, same thing. Without learning actually any chords, or trying to execute the chords, you start with a just tempo only, so you don't have to think about what chords to play, what inversions to play. Let me just show the example. This is Harvest Moon chords. Harvest Moon by Neil Young, and it goes like this. And you want to find the downbeat. You hear the downbeat by listening to gong, gong. So what you want to do, you want a piano too. 1, 2, 3, 2. Every 4 counts, you do this. Act as if you're playing. Now you're kind of like playing a percussion. But instead of actually playing a percussion, you're going to be approaching a percussive approach on a piano. So this is the basic. Every 4 counts, you need to be able to hit it. And if you listen to the drum beats more, then you should be able to do it. Not so much vocal, because vocals, they're saying things like push and pull, and it's not exactly fall into that. That's like most complicated part of it if you listen to the vocal. But either you listen to the bass note or the drum. To be a little more complicated, you could do this. Tap. Now if you listen to the drum, this is exactly how drum plays, right? Now if this is too much, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you're just every 4 counters is a little bit tricky, then start going. Now you're like dancing, right? This is the same concept as dancing. Just alternating left and right hand only, right? Because you're not doing, it's not like that, right? We're not doing left, right, or anything like that. It's just left, right, left, right, left, right, 2. Okay, and then back to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, tap, cat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. So downbeat is 1, so which is 1 tap, 1 tap, 1 tap. So hopefully this exercise help you. Just start from with just basic downbeat. Every 4 counts would be probably the best. If that's to become too boring, then you can do every 1 2 1 2. Every time you hear ta, that's actually 2. The silent, or it seems silent, but if you carefully listen to it, it's a kick drum. Kung ta, kung ta. So downbeat is kung ta, kung ta. Or the bass note will go boom, 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 boom. So the bass note is also as a mostly downbeat. So if you use a bigger headphone so you can hear the low frequency of the song, and then that's gonna help you as well. So it's not so much fixated on the vocal, because vocal is the one that is actually highest part of the pitch, and they're actually singing in a way like most complicated way to entertain the vocal. But the bass and the kick drum is the way you want to follow. Once you get that done, you can actually start elaborating more. Hopefully this help.